What is the best way to unclog septic tank? Septic tanks are crucial for homes not connected to a public sewer system. Over time, clogs can occur, causing slow drains, unpleasant odors, and potential backups. Addressing these issues quickly is essential for maintaining the system's functionality. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 7 effective methods to unclog a septic tank. 1. Regular maintenance and inspection. Routine inspections every 1 to 3 years are essential. A professional can check for signs of blockage and recommend pumping when needed. Early detection helps prevent major issues. 2. Pump the septic tank. When waste accumulates, it can lead to clogs. Pumping the tank removes solids and sludge, ensuring the system continues to work properly. Pumping should be done every 3 to 5 years. 3. Use enzyme cleaners. Enzyme-based cleaners break down organic waste, helping to reduce sludge buildup. These cleaners encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria, aiding in waste decomposition. Use them carefully to avoid disturbing the bacterial balance. 4. Inspect the drain field. Clogs can also occur in the drain field, which disperses treated wastewater. If you notice wet spots or foul odors near the field, it may be clogged and require professional attention. 5. Avoid harsh chemicals. Avoid using chemical cleaners that could harm the beneficial bacteria in your septic system. Harsh substances can cause more damage, leading to further clogs and inefficiency. 6. Monitor what goes down the drains. Be mindful of what you flush or pour down your drains. Non-biodegradable items like wipes, grease, or paper towels can accumulate and create blockages, leading to a clogged tank. 7. Call a professional. If you can't unclog the septic system yourself, it's best to call a professional. They have the expertise and equipment to deal with complex issues, ensuring your system is properly maintained and repaired. By following these steps, you can effectively prevent unresolved clogs, ensuring your septic tank functions properly and lasts longer. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.